Hey guys, if you want to know true value of your Steam account, let me show you how to look for it. First, go to your account name and go to profile. Go to edit profile and go to privacy settings. And make sure that you have these settings, game details set to public, and that you have unchecked this box. Always keep my total playtime private. Now open your web browser and navigate to SteamDB info, calculator. And now I'm going to paste in here my Steam profile ID, and how to find that number. Open your Steam, go to manage account button, and in top left corner you are going to find your Steam ID. Go back to your browser and in here paste that number. So at this moment value of my account is 315 euros. So that's all for this episode guys. I hope that you like this content, so please like, subscribe and see you around.